Hello friends, welcome to my channel once again, and in today's video we will be fixing an issue that commonly happens or that may happen with you when you're trying to upgrade to the latest Windows of Windows 10, that is 1903, which was released in May 2019. If you have not downloaded that update yet, please download that. I already have a video. I will give you the link in the description to upgrade your operating system to Windows 10 version 1903. And the problem which may come while you are upgrading your operating system, that at a point of time when your computer will look for updates, it will get stuck. It will keep saying getting updates, and it will take very long time, and it will never end. So in that situation, what you need to do, you need to simply go to, let that window open, let it check for update, let it say getting updates. But what you can do, hold down the Windows key and push letter R to open up the run window. If you are not getting it that way, you can simply right click on the start and left click on run, and simply type services.msc and press enter. Look for a service that is called Windows Update. Simply click anywhere and press W on the keyboard. Now you've just find that Windows Update service. Okay, it is right here. Highlight that and simply click on stop. Wait for some time, wait for a few seconds, and then click on start again. Just do it one more time and start, and close the window. Well, that's it you need to do. Hopefully it will resolve your problem, and it will get all the updates, and will move further to complete the upgrade to 1903, which is the latest update. Well, that's it in this video. Thank you very much for watching. Please click the like button if you like the video, and subscribe to my channel, and make sure you click the bell icon also next to subscribe button, so you can get updates of all my upcoming videos. Thank you. You have a great day. Bye bye.